We have a meeting. We have a meeting. The next meeting. The next meeting. I schedule a meeting. I schedule a meeting. I go to a meeting. I go to a meeting. I cancel a meeting. I cancel a meeting. Weekly meeting. Weekly meeting. The meeting starts at 10. The meeting starts at 10. The meeting ends at 11. The meeting ends at 11. Informal meeting. Informal meeting. Sorry I'm late. Sorry I'm late. What do you think? What do you think? I totally agree. I totally agree. I'm afraid I don't agree. I'm afraid I don't agree. I'm not sure what you mean. I'm not sure what you mean. That will be all for today. That will be all for today.